Unlock a seamless way to manage your prescriptions and get them delivered right to your door with the Costco Pharmacy app. First, grab your smartphone and head over to your device's App Store. That's the App Store if you have an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you use an Android device. In the search bar, type Costco Pharmacy and tap the search icon. Look for the official Costco Pharmacy app. It usually has the Costco logo. Once you find it, tap the Install or Get button to download and install it on your phone. After the app is installed, find the Costco Pharmacy app icon on your home screen and tap it to open. You'll need to log into your Costco account if you don't have one yet. You can create one directly through the app or on the Costco website. Your membership is key here to access pharmacy services. Once logged in, you might be prompted to link your Costco membership details. If you haven't already, follow the on-screen instructions to ensure your account is properly connected. Now you're in, you can view your current prescriptions, see refill statuses, and even request new ones from your doctor. To order a refill, simply navigate to the refill section. You can usually search for your medication or select from a list of your existing prescriptions. Follow the prompts to confirm your prescription and choose your preferred delivery address. Once you confirm and place your order, you'll receive a confirmation your prescriptions will be processed and delivered conveniently to you. You can track your order's progress directly within the app. Enjoy the ease of managing your health with Costco Pharmacy.